All right, friends, we're going to take out our N page that looks like this. I'll give you a moment to find that. And also you will need a marker or a pencil or a crayon. So go ahead and pause the video and go and find that. And when you come back, we'll start. All right, preschool friends, remember you have two options of writing your name. If you want to write a little on the top like this, you may. Or you can flip it over and write it on the back. So you choose what is best for you. And then I will show you how to make our letter N. I'll give you a moment to finish that. All right, today when we make our N, we're gonna start at the dot on the top. We're gonna follow it down. Make a line down from the top to the bottom, follow it back up, and go down diagonal and up. So let's go down here and practice that again. From the dot, do one straight line down, follow it back up with a diagonal down and up. Once again, top down, follow it back up, diagonal down and up. And then remember, I'd like you to practice all the way across. So let's just do one more together, starting at the top, down, follow it back up, diagonal, and up. Looks like I can fit either 2 or 3 more. So once again, just like the M, remember the N's have points at the top, kind of like a mountain peak. And the lowercase n is more like a camel hump. So we're gonna make it go down, follow it back up, and put a hump on it. Now notice when we do it here, we're not going to go to the top. We're only going to go to the middle. So start in the middle, go down, follow it back up with the hump. Starting at the top, go down, straight up, follow it up, and a hump. And remember, once again, we will go all the way across with our best practices. See how many you can fit across. And today, remember, in the top box, I want you to circle all the uppercase N's and lowercase n's that we see. Remember, they're trying to trick us. They're putting other letters in there that are uppercase or lowercase. See how many n's you can find. I found a lot of n's on mine today. Now, we're going to put our finger on the picture of the nose on the bottom. Let's sound it out and see if it starts with the letter N. Nose. Does nose begin with the letter N? Yes or no? You're right, it does. So that means we need to circle the nose. Put your finger on the star. Star. Does star start with the letter N? Yes or no? You're right, no. It starts with the letter S. Now put your finger on the nail. Let's sound it out together. Nail. Does nail begin with a sound? Yes or no? You're right. The answer is yes. So circle the nail. Now put your finger on the train. Train. Does train begin with the letter N? You're right, it does not. Train starts with the letter T. So we're not going to circle the train. So far we should have the nose and the nail circled. Now put your finger on the rabbit. Rabbit. Does rabbit start with the letter N? Yes or no? You're right, no. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Now put your finger on the net. Net. Does net begin with the letter N? Yes or no? You're right. Net does begin with the letter N, so I will have you circle the net. And the last picture is of a nest. Nest. Does nest begin with the letter N? Yes or no? You're right. Yes, it does. So on the bottom row, you should have the net and the nest circled. Now, once you're done with the whole page and you've practiced all your N's, you've circled the uppercase and lowercase, and circled the words that begin with the letter N, I have a challenge for you today. Your challenge is going to be to flip it over and to draw either shapes or letters that you know. So we've been working really hard on making our shapes lately. We've been making circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, and ovals. See if you can show your family what you can make, or I challenge you to see how many letters in the alphabet you can write. All right, have fun with that, and we'll see you later. Bye.